Hi everybody, today I will show you how to send HD photos in WhatsApp. So let's begin. Open WhatsApp and go to the chat where you want to send the photo. Tap the attachments icon. Now click Gallery to pick up your photo. Now simply select the photo that you want to upload or send as an HD picture, and at the bottom left of your screen, click this pencil icon just right here at the top of your image. Now here you will see different options at the top. Simply choose the one that says HD and you will get to choose the quality for your photo. So I will choose HD quality. Now simply click this send icon and that specific picture will be sent as an HD image to anyone you want. Keep in mind that the recipient will see a small HD label on the photo when they receive it, so they know it was sent in high quality. And if you want to send the photo in its absolute original quality without any compression at all, instead of attaching it through gallery, tap the attachment icon and click on document. Now click choose from gallery and choose the picture again and click this tick icon at the bottom right. Click send and that specific image will be sent as a document, as a file rather than an image. So WhatsApp doesn't compress it at all. So that's how you send HD photos in WhatsApp. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.